Get ready for a tasty twist on an Italian classic. The island of Capri, just off the coast of Naples, it's known for its iconic caprese salad. So we thought we would combine this famous dish with our love for pasta to create this delicious penne alla caprese. It's perfect as a side dish for a barbecue or for a quick and easy lunch. To begin, add the olive oil to a pan over a medium heat, followed by the garlic and sweat until soft. Then add the cherry tomatoes, salt and pepper to taste, followed by the oregano and mix together well until the tomatoes are soft and juicy. Next, add in the cooked Napolina Penne pasta, followed by a ladle of precious pasta water, a handful of fresh basil leaves and some mozzarella pearls. Then drizzle over some Napolina roasted garlic and herb olive oil and mix together to really let the flavor sink. Then serve up in 2 bowls and take a delicious bite that will transport you from your home to the island of Capri, using our not-so-humble ingredients.